Most people think making a living on YouTube means getting millions of views. They're stuck on a content treadmill, constantly chasing the algorithm for their next paycheck. But a small group of creators is building quiet, six-figure businesses by using a totally different approach. They understand that YouTube isn't just a video platform, it's a business asset. Today, I'm not just going to show you how to make money. I'm giving you a breakdown of a proven strategy, how to build a real, sustainable business on YouTube, one that doesn't depend on luck or going viral. To make sure you get the most out of this, I've split this video into two parts. First, we're going to deep dive into the 4 main income streams that actually matter on YouTube. Once you understand how the money flows, I'll reveal the exact strategy in the second half to show you how to apply them and hit that $100 a day goal. First, let's cover the one everyone knows, YouTube AdSense. Once your channel hits 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. At that point, YouTube starts placing ads on your videos and you get a slice of that revenue. AdSense is great to achieve, but here's the secret that no one will tell you. AdSense is not the main income stream that all those big influencers you see on the internet rely on. Here's why. When you rely purely on AdSense, you aren't actually owning your own business. Your income is entirely dependent on YouTube's relationship with their advertisers. If a major brand decides they don't like a new platform policy, or if there's another adpocalypse where advertisers pull their budgets, your paycheck can vanish overnight through no fault of your own. Besides that, your earnings are a slave to your niche and your watch time. In a high-value niche like finance, you might see $15 or $20 per 1,000 views, but in lifestyle or gaming, you could be earning pennies for the same amount of work. So basically, it's not a stable income stream. Think of ad revenue as a bonus, the extra cash that covers your software subscriptions, but never the end goal. To achieve true financial independence, you have to stop waiting for YouTube to pay you and start taking control of your own distribution, and that starts with a strategy that pays you even if your views don't hit the millions. To really level up your earnings, we need to look at our second income stream, sponsorships. Sponsorships are when a brand pays you a flat fee to feature them in a video, and you don't need a massive audience to land these deals. Brands are often more interested in reaching a specific, engaged community than a huge, disengaged one. But how do you actually get them? Stop waiting for your inbox to blow up. Start by creating a simple one-page media kit highlighting your niche and engagement stats. Then, look at who is sponsoring your competitors. Those brands are already spending money. Reach out with a short, personalized pitch focusing on the value you bring to their specific goals. The key is to build an authentic brand and prove you have a loyal audience. Brands want to see real community engagement. And here's the pro tip. Once you land a deal, don't treat it as a one-off transaction. Your goal should be to turn a single shout-out into a long-term partnership. Building deep relationships with brands is how you turn a one-time check into a recurring revenue source that actually supports your business. Sponsorships are a great way to earn money, but it has the same downside as AdSense. You're still dependent on someone else. If you want to achieve the $100 a day goal without being at the mercy of brands or the algorithm, you need a model that scales while you sleep. This is where we move into the ultimate territory, selling products. The final and best model is selling products through your channel. It is the ultimate way to have a truly independent YouTube business. But hold up. I said there were 4 revenue models, and we've only covered 3. So, what's the 4th? Well, the truth is there are actually 2 ways to sell products. You can either sell someone else's product for a commission, or you can build and sell your own. Let's start with the first one, affiliate marketing. This is the fastest way to add a serious income stream and move beyond YouTube's ecosystem. Affiliate marketing is where you promote products of your likes and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. A single video can generate hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in commissions, far more than the AdSense on that same video would ever pay. The key here is trust and relevance. If you review tech, you link to the tools you use. If you teach a skill, you link to the software or books that helped you. You're not just selling, you're making genuine recommendations to an audience that already trusts your expertise. This is the first real step to building a business that you control. I recommend to focus on selling digital products. Why? Because the transactions are infinitely easier. You don't have to deal with shipping delays, physical returns, or inventory costs. It's a clean, instant exchange of value. And now I want to share a secret that literally no one will tell you, but it is the backbone of the $100 a day goal. The power of recurring commissions. If you can find a digital product or software that requires a monthly subscription and you get a cut of that every single month, that changes everything. You aren't just making a one-time sale, you are building a predictable monthly salary. Think about the math. Every new sale you make doesn't just pay you once, it stacks on top of the sales you made last month. While other YouTubers are starting from zero every time they upload, you are literally stacking your income brick by brick. This is how you turn a swingy YouTube hobby into a rock-solid, stable monthly income. But as powerful as recurring commissions are, there is one level even higher, where you stop taking a percentage and start taking 100% of the profit. Selling your own products. This is where you stop being just a YouTuber and officially become an entrepreneur. Instead of promoting other people's stuff, you sell your own. This offers the highest profit margins, often over 90% for digital products, and gives you complete control. You can create digital products like ebooks, video courses, or software templates once, and they can generate passive income for years, or you can sell physical merchandise, and if you're really smart, your product requires a monthly subscription. This doesn't just create a powerful revenue stream, it builds a deeper connection with your audience, turning random viewers into true fans of your brand. Now you know how the money's made, but the real question is, how do we actually apply these 4 income streams to your YouTube business? This is where we move from the what to the how with the pillar video strategy. The strategy is actually quite simple, and it mainly relies on selling products rather than just chasing views. To give you a quick summary, the core of this business is building one massive high-value video where you teach your best information for free, and then using every other video on your channel to drive traffic to it. Here's how we break that down. Your pillar video is one single, long-form, high-value piece of content. Ideally, this should be an evergreen video, meaning it solves a problem that remains relevant for years, so that it can generate income for you for years to come. This is your masterpiece, an ultimate guide, an in-depth tutorial, or a full course that solves a major problem for your audience. You give away your best information for free. Now, for this to work, I recommend your pillar video to be at least 30 to 45 minutes long, but the real sweet spot is actually between 1 and 2 hours. When a viewer watches a video for that long, they become deeply invested in the value you're providing. By the time they finish, they see you as a trusted authority. Because you've held nothing back, the trust is already built. So, when you introduce a call to action at the end, typically by promoting an affiliate link that you've placed in the description to offer a shortcut or the next logical step, the conversion rate is incredibly high. Now, you don't need every video to be 2 hours long. That's where your feeder videos come in. All the other videos on your channel have one primary job: to drive traffic to your pillar video. These are shorter, more topical videos designed to grab attention through search and recommendations. They answer specific questions, cover trends, or offer quick tips within your niche. In every feeder video, you'll naturally mention and link back to your pillar video, positioning it as the ultimate resource for viewers who want to go deeper. You do this efficiently by using clear calls to action throughout the video, utilizing end screens, setting up cards, and placing links in your description and pinned comments. This simple system ensures your highest converting video is always getting fresh eyes, turning your channel into a self-sustaining business that signals to YouTube your content is incredibly valuable. Now you know the exact strategy to stop chasing views and start building a valuable business asset. If you are serious about building a YouTube empire that pays you 24/7, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss these weekly videos. But if you want to skip the trial and error and see the exact step-by-step setup I use to build these channels from scratch, click the video on the screen right now for the full course on how to start that YouTube business from scratch. The blueprint is in your hands. I'll see you in the next video.